Hallo allemaal, welkom tot de Nederlandse les. Today we're going to practice the short O sound and the long O sound. We're going to practice the long O sound and short O sound in sentences. Let's dive in. Let's practice the korte O-klank or the short O sound. Repeat after me. Sok. Sok. Bok. Bok. Thank you. Let's have a look at the long O sound. There are two cases. One case you can see it has a closed syllables like in boat, and in the other case it's kind of similar to the English form of a silent E in the example bomen. Both sounds are considered a long O. Let's start first with a pure long O sound. Roos. Roos. Oog. Oog. Brood. Brood. Let's practice the long O sound in open syllables. Lopen. Lopen. Bomen. Bomen. Zomer. Zomer. Great. Please have a look at the next words and practice by yourself reading them. If you need more time, just pause the video and take your time. Let's practice the short O sound and the long O sound in sentences. De hond is op de boot. De hond is op de boot. De man koopt een pot. De man koopt een pot. Een bos vol met bomen. Een bos vol met bomen. Now it's your turn to try to write a sentence in Dutch. Let's have a look at the example sentence. In de zomer loopt de mol vaak boven de grond. Please try to use words with a short O sound and words with a long O sound, like in the example given. If you can, please leave your sentences in the comment section below. And goodbye, I'll see you in the next video.